Hello, welcome back to my video part 2 hands-on implementation of AWS data ingestion services for machine learning. So let's turn theory into practice. Let's see my agenda: architecture overview, kinetic implementation, AWS Glue ETL pipeline, SageMaker Data Wrangler, event-driven ingestion, S3 Lambda, and monitoring, troubleshooting. Here is the high-level architecture. We will build data come from various sources, flow through kinetic or glue, land in S3, and then move into SageMaker for model training. First, let's look at kinesis. In the AWS console, you can easily create a kinetic data stream. Here is simple Python procedure using virtual tree that send record into the stream. Once data in the stream, we can use kinetic data firehouse to automatically deliver to S3 or use kinetic data analytics to run in a real-time SQL query on the streaming data. For back data in S3, we use AWS Glue crawler to automatically discover the schema and populate the Glue data catalog. Then we create a Glue job using PySpark to transform the data. Here is an example of a simple transformation script that clean and enrich the dataset. Inside SageMaker Studio, Data Wrangler provide a visual interface to import data from S3 or RDS, clean it, perform feature engineering, and export it directly to SageMaker feature store or as a processing job. For real-time event-driven workflow, we set up S3 event notification that trigger a Lambda function whenever a new file lands in the bucket. Here's the Python code for that Lambda function. Throughout the process, we monitor everything using CloudWatch metrics and AWS X-Ray for distributed tracing. This helps us quickly identify and fix bottlenecks. Important best practice include using IAM roles with least privilege, enabling encryption, and implementing retry logic with dead letter queues. In this video, we move from concept to actual implementation. You now have working patterns you can apply in the real projects. Thank you for watching part 2. In the final video, I will explore real world application and best practice. See you later. Bye.